Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Daily. If you're serious about improving your English fluency, you're in the right place. Today I've got a special challenge for you, a 5-minute challenge to fix your top 5 English mistakes.
Yes, this is going to be fast, practical, and powerful. You'll learn real examples, how to fix these mistakes instantly, and how to sound more fluent and confident when speaking English.
And before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because every day we bring you short, powerful English-speaking lessons you can actually use in real life.
Exactly. Think of this as your daily 5-minute English gym. We train your tongue, your brain, and your confidence all in one go. Now, let's play a quick game. I'll say a few sentences, and you tell me if they sound correct. Ready? I didn't saw him yesterday. She's more better than me. I'm agree with you.
Sound familiar? If you've ever said any of these, don't worry, you're not alone. Even advanced learners make these mistakes all the time. But here's the good news. By the end of this episode, you'll not only know what's wrong, but also never make these mistakes again.
Let's jump right in. It's time to fix your top 5 English mistakes in just 5 minutes. Mistake number 1. I didn't saw him.
All right, mistake number 1, one of the most common ones ever. X, I didn't saw him. Correct version, I didn't see him.
So, what's happening here? When we use did in the past tense, the main verb goes back to its base form.
Exactly. Did already shows past tense, so you don't need to say saw, you say see.
Let's repeat it together for shadowing. I didn't see him yesterday. I didn't see her at work. I didn't see that coming.
Perfect. Try saying it again after me with emotion. I didn't see that coming.
Nice. Keep that rhythm. Short, clean, confident. Mistake number 2. She's more better than me.
Okay, mistake number 2. She's more better than me.
We all love to emphasize things, right? But in English, better is already a comparative word. You don't need more.
Exactly. Saying more better is like saying double better. Grammatically incorrect. Correct is she's better than me.
Let's shadow that. She's better than me. This book is better than that one. You're getting better every day.
Nice job. And a quick tip, when you want to emphasize improvement, use phrases like much better, way better, or a lot better.
Right. Example, you sound much better today. This version is way better. Mistake number 3, I'm agree with you.
Now, mistake number 3, I'm agree with you. This one's super common. The confusion comes because we think agree is like an adjective, but it's actually a verb.
Exactly. You don't say, I am agree. You say, I agree.
Correct. I agree with you.
Let's shadow together. I agree with you. I totally agree with that. I agree with what you said.
Now here's an advanced version. I couldn't agree more. It means I 100% agree.
Let's say it together. I couldn't agree more.
Excellent. You're sounding more natural already. Mistake number 4, I'm looking forward to see you.
Okay, this one's tricky. I'm looking forward to see you.
It sounds okay, right? But actually, it's incorrect. After to in this phrase, we always use the ing form of the verb.
Correct is, I'm looking forward to seeing you. Here's why. To in this expression is not part of an infinitive. It's actually a preposition, and prepositions are followed by ing verbs.
Right, so not to see, but to seeing. Let's shadow. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Perfect! You'll sound instantly more fluent using this correctly. Mistake number 5. He told that he is tired.
Sounds a bit off, right? The problem is tell always needs an object. You tell someone something.
Correct, he told me that he is tired. Or, He said that he is tired.
Exactly. So remember, tell, you tell someone something. Say, you say something.
Let's shadow a few examples. He told me he was busy. She told us to wait. He said he was tired. They said they'd call later.
Nice. This one small correction can make your speech sound 10 times more natural.
All right, time for your 5-minute recap. Repeat each correct sentence after me. Ready? 1. I didn't see him yesterday. 2. She's better than me. 3. I agree with you. 4. I'm looking forward to seeing you. 5. He told me he was tired.
Great job. Now try using these in your daily conversations. The more you speak, the faster your brain rewires your English habits.
Fluency practice, shadowing segment. All right, now let's switch to full shadowing mode. We'll say short dialogues, repeat them right after us. Mini dialogue 1. At the office.
Hey, did you see John today?
No, I didn't see him. Maybe he's working from home.
Oh, right. I forgot. He told me he was feeling tired.
Mini dialogue 2. Talking about improvement. Your English is getting better every day.
Thanks. I've been practicing shadowing lessons.
Wow, that's the secret. Practice makes perfect. Mini dialogue 3. Making plans.
I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Same here. Let's meet for coffee around 10 a.m.
Perfect. See you then. How did that feel? Smooth, right?
That's because you're not just listening, you're speaking, repeating, and building muscle memory. That's real fluency training. Mindset moment. Speak with confidence.
Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick thought. Fluency doesn't come from learning more grammar rules. It comes from fixing your daily habits.
Exactly. When you focus on small mistakes and correct them regularly, you create a strong foundation for natural English.
So from now on, every time you speak, notice, are you saying I didn't saw or I didn't see? Tiny details, but they change everything.
That's your challenge for today. 5 minutes of mindful speaking. Use these 5 corrected sentences throughout your day.
Say them when you talk to friends, in class, or even to yourself while walking. Repeat until they feel natural. That's how real progress happens.
And that's your 5-minute English challenge. If you enjoyed this session and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
And if you want to keep improving, check out our Shadowing English Speaking series, daily short lessons to train your speaking muscles and boost your confidence.
Remember, fluency is not magic, it's practice. And every time you shadow, you get one step closer to sounding like a natural English speaker.
Thank you for joining us on Speak English Daily. We'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep shining.